Welcome back, cryptocurrency investors. My name's Landon and you're watching World Crypto. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, currently invested, or planning on investing, subscribing is not a bad idea because we do 2 cryptocurrency news videos each and every day, and we are new and dedicating the next year to providing cryptocurrency news and related topics and help contribute to our community. Your likes and comments help us gain exposure and help me get better at producing these segments. Follow us on Twitter because we post relevant news all day, as well as give yourself extra chances to enter into our Litecoin and upcoming announcement for an Ethereum giveaway. All you have to do is like a video and comment something of value. You can enter as many times as you comment. It will be a random draw for comments on our videos. So the more that you engage with us, the better chances you'll have at winning. Our top story: 4 reasons to invest in Tron before the MainNet launch. We have a scam alert. Lotus ICO, ticker lotus.sh, has a team member listed on their website that is not a team member. As we reported on last night, Italy's cryptocurrency Bitgrail suspends operations, is bankrupt and insolvent, and has lost over 17 million nanocoins. eBay has signed an accord with Aiden and cryptocurrency payment platform BitPay. Ripple's blockchain technology set to revolutionize Saudi Arabian banking sector. And our last story: cryptocurrency is unlikely to disappear, says an internal report attributed to JP Morgan. Justin Sun and the Tron team have been consistently impressing me with their level of engagement with the community. Tron is unlike any other asset in the top 100 in this regard. And today we are featuring 4 reasons that you should invest in Tron before their mainnet is launched. When the mainnet launches, Tron will no longer be limited by the Ethereum network, which it currently relies on. We should see significant price movement and volume in the Tron markets after the release. On its own blockchain, the Tron network will be able to expand its capabilities massively. The Exodus update will boost the value of Tron, and why you should be investing now while you still can. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. However, I'm being honest with my valuation of Tron, and we at World Crypto do own some Tron and plan on continuing to invest. Use this platform as a resource for your ongoing cryptocurrency research, and always invest confidently based on your own opinions and understanding. Never take anyone's advice on YouTube or otherwise without first researching it for yourself. Tron is a serious contender this year for a number of reasons, including ridiculously cheap transactions. On the main network, Tron transactions will be practically free. Tron Labs have stated that the network will support ultra-low transfer fees of a millionth of a TRX. At current prices of about 5 cents per coin, that's 0.000005 cents per transaction. You could make 200,000 transactions for 1 cent. The average transaction fees for Ethereum and Bitcoin are currently $1 and $5 respectively. Tron will blow these fees out of the water, obviously, making it an attractive way to send money, as well as a competitive alternative to Ethereum for hosting custom blockchain-based projects. Number 2 is huge transaction volumes. The Tron network will be able to scale massively once it's not dependent on Ethereum. It'll be able to handle more than 1,000 transactions per second, that's the TPS, transaction throughput, compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, who respectively handle 7 and 15 currently. Tron will go from being limited to 15 transactions per second shared between all the tokens on the Ethereum network to being capable of over 1,000 transactions by itself per second. Again, this will make Tron astronomically more appealing to businesses looking to create fast and seamless blockchain-based solutions. Number 3, custom smart contract support. The new Tron mainnet will support custom smart contracts written in languages such as Java. These smart contracts will therefore allow programs to be hosted on the Tron network, which will benefit from being decentralized, lightweight, fast, and highly scalable. But this amount is sure to increase once the mainnet comes out and businesses see what it's capable of. Number 4, integration of current partners into the Tron network. As I said, Justin Sun is incredibly active on Twitter. If you want to know anything about what's going on with Tron, all you have to do is just scroll through his Twitter feed. He's really engaging. And the cryptocurrency community naturally very much responds to that amount of engagement. The growth is going to be insane this year. If you're considering investing in Tron, now is probably one of the best times to do it. The recent Bitcoin dip has caused many altcoins, Tron included, to drop in price. Buying Tron now while it's cheap, could lead to serious returns after the mainnet launches and investors rush to fill their bags. If you're new to investing or don't know where to buy Tron, you can start at Coinbase using our link in the description below. You'll first have to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin and then transfer it on an exchange such as Binance or HitBTC or Bitrex, I would recommend. Another reason Tron should increase in valuation this year is blockchain gaming. Tron is releasing Tron Dogs, which is comparable to Tamagotchis from the 90s, or just a virtual creature that you must take care of. The game lets you breed, sell, or buy virtual dogs using Tron. The use of games is a big plus for cryptocurrency. It's an innovative tactic to get people to use their cryptocurrency, and with gaming becoming increasingly more popular in the mainstream, it is a natural segue for a bridge between some people that are unaware of crypto getting involved in crypto. Furthermore, the Tron GitHub is incredibly active, and as we've highlighted in previous videos, has been one of the underlying reasons we at World Crypto continue to invest in Tron for our long-term HODL strategy. Tron surely promises a lot for the crypto world, and there's no denying that investors are still excited about Tron's prospects, even though the market is on a low downturn right now. The project is still under insane amounts of development. Just have one look at the GitHub and you can see that, but it's still very impressive at an infancy stage. Despite all this, the growing utility of Tron will lead to a rise in adoption and a rise in these charts among the crypto community and mainstream throughout this year. Stay locked onto this channel for ongoing developments in the Tron space, because we'll post video discussions as well as posting the news directly to our Twitter. Next up, we have a scam alert. Lotus ICO has somebody listed as a team member that's not a team member. A Reddit user has discovered Lotus ICO has him listed as a team member, but he's not. He's never even heard of Lotus ICO. Beware, everybody, these ICOs are everywhere. Italy's Bitgrail suspends operations. As we reported on last night, Bitgrail has gone bankrupt and is now insolvent due to what we originally reported as a $17 million nano coin hack of Bitgrail systems. We can now confirm that the hack was in fact 17 million nano coins instead of USD dollars, and with nano currently trading at $9.38 per coin USD, it makes the total hack 170 million USD. Several people have posted AMAs Ask Me Anything on Reddit for their significant numbers lost. 147,000 USD being the biggest that I could find. Nano was launched as Rayblocks in 2015. Nano has an individual blockchain for each account and operates under a block lattice architecture. We've discussed Nano previously in the past, but it is unlike most assets in this block lattice architecture. It allows for scalability and fast transactions comparatively to Ethereum and Bitcoin, which are having scaling issues as time goes on. Nano would have made an insurge into the market, especially with its fast transactions and zero fees, which has even the smallest trader in the markets interested. Francesco the Bomber has confirmed the news on Twitter, which says Nano and Bitgrail have been stolen. Unfortunately, there's no way to give it back to you at 100%. We only have 4 million Nano right now. Their website's Twitter handle says Bitgrail SRL informs its users that the internal check revealed unauthorized transactions, which led to a 17 million Nano shortfall, the amount forming part of the wallet managed by Bitgrail SRL. We inform you that other currencies have not been involved. Giovanni Ricci from Florence, an investor who used Bitgrail for a lot of his investments, says that this totally seems like an insider job. After a huge scam like this, it's highly unlikely that Bitgrail will ever come back to business. No, they won't. They're bankrupt and insolvent. It's too bad. We report on stories like this far too often, and I hope the space gets more secure and that these third parties end up taking their security more serious, and that bad actors are weeded out over time through investigations. eBay has signed an accord with Aiden and cryptocurrency payment platform BitPay. The multinational global e-commerce corporation eBay is seriously considering cryptocurrencies as a payment method, but Senior Vice President of eBay Americas Scott Cutler believes it's not ready for such a big move. eBay publicized its plan to discontinue PayPal as a payment option from its website, reflecting poorly on PayPal's stock. On January 31st, Cutler's firm BitPay announced that it had already signed an accord with Aiden, an Amsterdam-based payment service company, to become eBay's primary processor. More importantly, Aiden is also partnered with BitPay, the popular cryptocurrency payment platform, which will allow all Aiden clients to use BitPay's services. About the agreement, there is a considerable possibility that eBay could accept cryptocurrencies due to its partnership with Aiden. Cryptocurrencies are gaining global attention with an accumulated market cap of $422 billion and climbing. We were almost at $1 trillion back in December, but we've seen a significant peelback and correction, which is completely expected with the amount of run-up that we had. We covered a very interesting graph that was released by a doctor and subsequently went viral about the trading mechanism behind a rise like Bitcoin had, and it pretty much mirrors the actual movement of the Bitcoin price. So he was relatively accurate with that. Check that video out. It's worth it. Initially, Bitcoin was said to replace fiat and become a currency much like any other, but due to scalability and network congestion, more crypto enthusiasts regard it more of a store of value. Other coins can really step up in its place to service the industry. Steam, a digital distribution platform for games, dropped Bitcoin from its payment options for these very reasons. It'll be interesting to see which cryptocurrency eBay chooses for its platform, with several options like Dash, Litecoin, and Stellar being viable alternatives. Despite these scaling difficulties, the growth of digital currencies put many present-day payment networks such as PayPal at risk of being wiped out. One company that's highly benefited by linking to Bitcoin is Overstock, the American internet retailer whose stocks surged by 250% this year, started accepting Bitcoin in 2014. eBay's decision to drop PayPal as an option will not be right away, as the two companies are bound by the agreement, which ends in the year 2020. Ripple's blockchain technology is set to revolutionize Saudi Arabian banking sector. The world's largest Islamic bank, the Saudi Arabian Rahi Bank, successfully completed a Ripple blockchain trial where it successfully transferred money between Saudi Arabia and Jordan bank branches. This news comes on the back of a good week for the bank on Tadawul, the Saudi Arabian stock market, which it trades, where it closed on a 32-month high. TechSci experts weigh in on the developments as they unfold. As per experts at TechSci, institutions in neighboring countries such as National Bank of Abu Dhabi have already successfully trialed Ripple, and there is strong support that these strong market cues, if they are a likely indicator, will make it that other banks will follow suit. Ripple continues to progress and impress worldwide, and particularly in these eastern markets. We will continue to provide news coverage of Ripple as it continues to be integrated and considered by banks worldwide. Crypto is unlikely to disappear, says an internal report attributed to JP Morgan. JP Morgan has called cryptocurrencies the innovative maelstrom around blockchain and said they are unlikely to disappear in what appears to be an internal report from the company published February 8, 2018. In an extract from what is allegedly the banking giant's executive summary on cryptocurrency, the company appears bullish on crypto's future. Cryptocurrencies are the face of the innovative maelstrom around the blockchain technology that is bringing both massive price volatility and a constant trial and error of new product tryouts and failures. Cryptocurrencies are unlikely to disappear and could easily survive in varying forms and shapes among players who desire greater decentralization, peer-to-peer networks, and anonymity, even as the latter is under threat. The underlying technology could have the greatest application in areas where current payment systems are slow, such as across borders, as payment reward tokens or funding systems for other blockchain innovations in the Internet of Things, as well as parts of the underground economy. Last week, JP Morgan was one of several US banks to ban clients from purchasing cryptocurrency with credit cards. Canada has come out and offered the opposite support and saying that they're not going to be banning crypto anytime soon for their credit card users. So it seems to be an American-only thing right now. They're clearly sending mixed signals, and it only perpetuates FUD. Meanwhile, most of these major financial institutions in the US are developing crypto trading desks behind closed doors and investing in the lucrative Bitcoin market, no doubt. If they can make money in a financial market, and no doubt cryptos provide that, ask yourself, would they? I think the answer is very clear, and we at World Crypto firmly maintain our position that they all have a vested interest in protecting this fiat industry and naysaying crypto. Beware of the FUD from these major financial institutions. They're just driving prices down so they can get in. It's manipulation. They're good at it. It's what they know. It's why blockchain revolution is a hashtag I'm trying to get trending on Twitter, because we can really look towards solving some of these large issues with these banking institutions that just run the show however they see fit, and they're doing no different with crypto. Honestly, do you think that they're going to be good actors in the market? They're perpetuating FUD, buying in, and when it's legitimized beyond what they can really naysay, they're going to join crypto publicly and start promoting their own products that they've slowly developed while naysaying. Just think about it for a bit. See if you can come to the same conclusion that I have. That covers it for your news. Stay dialed into this channel for 2 cryptocurrency news segments each day, and join the discussion below by commenting your thoughts on any of the articles we cover. We are giving away Litecoin once we hit 500 subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe and comment on any or all of our videos. You can enter more than once, so make sure you comment. We're also announcing an Ethereum giveaway once we maintain 25 likes on our videos, so make sure you smash that like button, and as soon as we hit 25 likes on a video, I will announce that Ether giveaway. Follow us on Twitter for ongoing announcements and news articles. Thanks for watching, and happy investing, everyone.